Driving license ya Europe tulishapata. Driving license ya Europe tulishapata. Na venye tunakuanga na kiherehere, tunapata license jana na leo tuna enroll class ya kufanya mtihani ya CPC. Tuko na hasira sana na hii trailer. Tunataka tupate hii tachograph, tunataka tupate hii CPC haraka sana, tuanzane na hii trailer. So sasa tunafanya tu revision ya venye final exam itakuwa. In the curve, there is a higher risk of the motor vehicle to roll over when in a curve. The center of gravity of the vehicle is at a low, no. The longitudinal movement, no. The centrifugal force is inferior to acceleration, no. The center of gravity of the vehicle is at a high height relative to the ground, yes. This is the right answer. Now submit. Ikiwaka green umepata, ikiwaka red umeanguka. We have 30 number of questions. Lazima upite 21 questions na uko na 30 minutes. So 30 questions in 30 minutes. So far tumebakia 23 minutes. The equal tire pressure has a decisive influence on vehicle stability, vehicle operation of the steering, suspension, traction force, operation of the steering. Kama tire haina upepo, especially za mbele, unapata shocks zake na maneuverability yake ni mbaya. So hiyo tumeanguka. When driving at double speed in the same road condition, the braking distance necessary to stop the vehicle increases by smoothly. Double speed, same condition, hiyo ni 4 times. Lazima tupate 21 questions. So far tumepata 10 questions, tumeanguka moja. Number is 30, remaining 19. Tunasonga tu. Hii lazima tupite sote. Lighting of cigarette when driving the vehicle leads to non-printing of information. All variations of leads to fatigue, exhaustion. It is an action that helps to increase concentration, no. So the answer is leads to non-printing. Non-printing inamaanisha it's like concentration unapoteza na inaweza leta ajali. So this is the right answer. This is my individual thinking. I don't know whether it's the right answer, but sasa inajibu kama ustadhi wa Europe. Nikianguka nimeanguka, nitafanya revision baadaye, but it is not predetermined. So usiseme ati ustadhi ulikuwa unajua answer, hapana. Naam, nimepata. How should a person with spinal injury be laid in the vehicle? Lying on the side. It is advisable not to move until the arrival of salvation. In a sitting position, on the rear seat of the. So hii swali ni very technical. How should a person with spinal injury, umeumia mgongo, unauliza huyu mtu anafaa bebwe vipi kwa gari? Number one unafaa ujue mtu mwenye ameumia kwa scene of accident haufai kumuondoa mpaka paramedics wakuje. But sasa hawa paramedics hawa wanaita salvation. Kizungu huku ni mbaya kama ile kizungu yenye mnaongeaga huko Gulf. So the answer is, it is advisable not to move until the arrival of salvation. Salvation in this case ni paramedics. So tumepata, it was number 13. How does the driving speed influence the safe stopping distance? At doubling speed, the stopping distance is increased 3 times, no. Does not change its value by doubling, no. At doubling speed, the stopping distance is increased by 4 times, exactly. Kama ulikuwa unatembea speed ya 50, kama ukijua ukiweka speed ya 100, distance ya kustop kama ni 50 meters itakuwa 4 times that distance when everything else is held constant. So tumepata. What should you consider when driving in a wet condition with the road covered in slime? Slime ni kama ile ice hivi. So periodic tire pressure hapana, periodic checking of rolling grip hapana, periodic verification of hapana, periodic cleaning of glass surface. Hii swali ni technical sana. This question is very technical. Inauliza, what should you consider while driving in wet condition where the road is covered in slime? Slime ni kama gefii. Unajua gefii? Ile anako kwenu mahali kama Limuru. So in this case, what you do is that you have to periodically clean your head lamp surfaces na glass surfaces kama windscreen, side mirrors na mataa. So the right answer is periodic cleaning of glass surfaces. Tuone kama tumepata. It was number question 15. Ndio tumepata. It's the right answer. When driving in a straight line, you must travel in the middle of the road, of course. Travel as close as possible to the right, hapana. Run in the middle of the hapana. Sasa sasa hapa hii itanikula kichwa. Move as close as possible, hapana. So option 1 and option 3 zinafanana. kwa sababu when driving in a straight line unafaa uendeshe gari katikati ya hiyo lane, but the issue hapa wamesema to travel in the middle of the lane of the road, run in the middle of the lane. Oh yes, the answer is this one. This was road, this was lane, sikuona. So it should be run in the middle of the lane, katikati ya lane. Unafinya hiyo, unaongeza hiyo, so tumepata. Periodic technical inspections are performed in the RRA, hapana. In the resolution RAR, yes, Romanian authorities for road, hiyo ndio inafaa kufanya inspection. Hiyo ndio NTSA ya huku kwetu Europe. NTSA ya kwetu Europe. Tumepata. So far tumefanya 17 questions, tumeanguka moja. The transport operator has the obligation to ensure the existence on board of the vehicle in case of road transport of goods in international traffic in Turkey. Hiyo ni TIR card. Hiyo mwezi jua, so sitawaelezea. Hiyo amwezi elewa. Hiyo ni ya huku kwetu Europe. TIR card tumepata. What is the validity of TIR card? Hiyo inakuwa ni ya trip moja tu. Until the last day of validity established by the insurance company. Until the last day validity established by the Ministry of Transport. Until the end of the TIR operation of the Office of Destination. Until the last day of validity established by the Guarantee Association. We, sasa hii kizungu itaniua. Hii kizungu itaniua. Naona kama nitaanguka hii walai. What is the validity of TIR Canet? TIR Canet niyo ya transport ya international roads in Europe, but inakuwaga valid for one trip. But sasa hii kizungu yao sio perfect, ni tricky. It is not the English that we know, sisi watu wenye tumekoloniziwa na UK. So hapa kitu yenye naniangusha si ati sijui, naangushwa na translation yao mbaya ya kizungu. Because what I know is that it should be valid for one trip. But hapa wanaanza kukwambia until the last day valid established by the insurance company that issued the card, until the last day of the validity established by the Ministry of Transport, until the end of the TIR operation at the Office of Destination, until the last day validity established by the Guarantee Association. So you don't get to know Guarantee Association ni nini, you don't get to know Ministry of Transport kama ndio inahusika na hiyo, you don't know whether it is the issuing of the card. So for this one I'll guess. Let me read the options again and guess. Nikipata sawa, nikikosa nita review. So until the last day of of course hapa lazima kuwe na the last day. Until the last day validity established by the Guarantee Association. Wallahi, company that issued the card established by the insurance company. Wallahi. Ngoja niende kwa the next question. Niko na option ya kuruka swali. In the case of national road transport of general goods for a fee on board the vehicle, you must find the following: ADR, hapana; driver service card, approval ya drivers ama CPC. Hiyo ni sure bet najua. So number 19 tumeiacha wazi kwa sababu kumbuka huu mtihani unafaa upate 21 questions in 30 minutes. So you don't waste a lot of time kwa swali yenye unaona itakukula kichwa. You skip that question. Of course katika maswali 30 unapita 21. So maswali 9 unaweza avoid, uone kama zile 21 utazipata kwanza. The moment umezipata kwanza, the remaining 9 questions unazifanya shagala bagala, casually, you don't care. Hata ukianguka ushapita. So that's why nime avoid hii question. Na naona nimepata 18, so but out of hizi zimebaki nikipata 2 questions 3 nimepita mtihani wangu. The transport operator, respectively the company, has the following obligation: to ensure existence on board the vehicle execution operation, not to allow the driver to intervene when loading the hapana, not to allow the person to intervene tachograph and limiter. Yes, it's our not to allow an authorized person to intervene on the tachograph. This is very important. Under the regulation of the European Parliament and the Council, the normal weekly rest time is 45 hours. 45 hours kwa wiki, lazima dereva apumzike huku kwetu Europe. Tumepata. So far tumepata 20 questions, bado question moja tu. Under the regulation of the European Parliament number, the weekly driving period must not exceed weekly. Kwa wiki moja, hufai kuendesha more than 56 hours. 56 hours, mtu ataniuliza 56 hours aje ustadi? Kwa siku unaendesha 9 hours. Na kwa wiki unafaa uendeshe 6 consecutive days, that is. So 9 times 6 inakuja 9 times 6 ni 54. 54 alafu unafaa uendeshe overtime ya 1 hour at least per day, not more than twice a week. So ni 9 times 6 ni 54 plus the 2 overtime hours inakuja 56. So that is our answer. naona tumepata 23. So tayari ni huu mtihani nishapita. Ingekuwa ni final exam, mimi tayari ningekuwa professional truck driver wa Europe, ningekuwa niko na kitu inaitwa CPC ama ukipenda continuous professional certificate of whatever. Wakuu ustadhi bana. Okay, tumalize tu maswali, tuache kiburi kwanza. During a working day, a driver changes the vehicle. What obligation does the driver have regarding the use of tachograph diagram? It uses the same tachograph, noting in advance that on the reverse the registration number of the respective second vehicle on the line time which it made the change. Very important. Insert new diagram. Apana. Uses the same tachograph chart. Yes. Noting the reverse of the registration number of the second car, the mileage that appears on the mileage meter in the new car, and the time at which the change was made. This is more heavier than the first one. Uses the same diagraph, noting the registration number to the next one. So naweza chukua hiyo. So nimepata. And now I have 22 correct answers. What obligation does the driver have in case of malfunction of tachograph? Has no obligation to record different period activity at the back of the diagram, to continue the race after repairing a panel, to record at the back of the diagram. The degree of loading and the distribution of the load of the vehicle directly influences the modification of driving status of the vehicle gauge, apana, tire pressure, apana, gravitational acceleration. Fuck, what is this? The degree of loading and the distribution of the load of the vehicle directly influence the modification of driving status of the vehicle. Yenyewe ukipakia mzigo vibaya utakuwa unasikia gari na kuvuta huku, unasikia mzigo uko nyuma sana, hiyo ina make sense. The vehicle's gauge bullshit, tire pressure ujinga, gravitational acceleration. How to choose A? The answer is either 1 or 4. So let me choose 1. After all nishapita mtihani, so kama si hii obviously itakuwa ni hii, but let me go with 1. Kama nimepata, kama nimeanguka, good, nimepata. The load fixing system must withstand the force corresponding to an acceleration and deceleration force. Hii wamenishika mudhitini. Unasikia kushikwa mudhitini? Hii wamenishika mudhitini. So the load fixing system must withstand the force corresponding to an acceleration direction of the vehicle towards the... let me guess this one. It should be either 0.5 or 0.8 acceleration, not deceleration. Acceleration. So kama siyo hii ni hii. I go with the first guess, 0.5. Kama ni sawa. Also it was the second one anyway. The maximum efficiency of the friction stitching method is obtained if the potential angle of the trap is maximum. Is it 60 degree or 90 degree? Where? The maximum efficiency of the stitching method, it should be 60 or 90. Let me try 60 and see. Nimeanguka, so ni 90. Okay, in addition to the wide storage, the load, the image attached is fixed by winch, lock, winch, chain with pretension device. Hii ni lock. Mtu atauliza ustadhi lock aje? In addition to the wide storage, the load in the image attached is fixed by... Unaona venye hizo mzigo ziko? Hii mzigo ni blockage, alafu hapa chini ndio isirudi nyuma imekewa stopper. So it's not a winch, it is a lock. Kama si hii sifai kuwa dereva huku Europe manake. Unaona nimepata. A load with a mass of 1 kg has a weight of approximately... is it 10 dan ama 1 dan? Mama yangu. No, 1 ton should be 1 dan. Yeah. So huu mtihani ulikuwa na 30 question, nimeufanya in 20 minutes. So in 20 minutes nishamaliza mtihani wangu, niko na extra 10 minutes. So let's go to number 19. What is the validity of TIR carnet until the last validity of the insurance company that issued the card? Pula me, since we have to choose, na tushapata 26 questions, kuanguka hii haimaanishi lolote kwangu. But nitaifanyia zoezi nijue pia. So nimeanguka. So the 4 questions zenye nimeanguka nitazifanyia review baadaye. Otherwise it's good to note that tuthiete owega pio. Tuthiete owega fio. Wenu ustadhi maithe mkufunzi, mtunzi, mhariri, mkariri, ukipenda wa huku kwetu Europe, dereva wa trailer za Europe, wozol.